I don't know if you can see this or not, Mom, but I'm gonna try it. Warrior Racing Engines. You remember that, don't you? I think you do. It was our little engine shop back in Kentucky. Holder with a roller. That was on Archie's 02 race car. Joe Strong. Of course, WW Customs. Benson 173. Reason I went to 173, it was cause I'm number 1. It's cause I was born in 73. Ain't that funny? There's Willie's thing on the bottom, of course. Look at that. Oh man. Whoa, ain't that pretty? Ain't that pretty? I think Dad'd be proud, Mom. I think he'd be proud. Dust Rocker chassis. That's cause Whitney McCory called me Dust Rocker.